Okay, good morning, children. So, see, Unit 1, Marigold, okay? We have already completed one part, Ice Cream Man. Huh? All of us had nice ice creams. Na khadi ne badai, fine, fine. So, today we are going to learn a new lesson, Wonderful Waste. Waste એટલે શું જે બચે ઈ, okay? The leftovers. Here, everybody will open their marigold. Page number 10. બધા ખોલો ચાલો શાબાશ. And keep your fingers with me. Proper attention દેજો. This is also a very nice lesson. તમારા lessons તો બહુ fine છે. See, waste can be quite useful. Find out for yourself from this story. Now this story you listen, then you will know. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. Maharaja, king. He lives in a palace. Mahal માં રહે ને? So he ordered a grand dinner. Dinner એટલે શું? What we eat at night. Afternoon, lunch. Morning, breakfast. Yeah, a dinner. So he has given a big, beautiful, grand dinner. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. So the Maharaja himself, he went in the kitchen to see what dishes were being prepared for the feast. What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? એટલે vegetables હોય, શાકભાજી મમ્મી કટ કરે. After that, what is left over, જે બચે, that is scraps. He asked the cook, what will you do with this? Pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. Now that cook has put all the scraps in one basket. So the cook replied, they are waste. એ તો નકામા છે. We will throw them away. You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them. Now king is ordering them. No, you will not waste it. Find another way by which you can use it. The Maharaja commanded sternly, very strictly, and walked away. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. Cook was in a fix. He didn't know what to do. So he's looking at the vegetables. Oh, શું કરું? Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. One idea came. એને એક વિચાર આવે છે, okay? He took all the vegetable bits. He took all those bits, washed them. બધું wash કરે છે. And cleaned them well. Nicely cleaned everything. Then he cut them into long strips. એને લાંબી strips માં લાંબુ cut કરે છે, okay? He put them in a huge pot. એક મોટું pot લે છે, વાસણ આવું, and put them in the pot. And then place that pot on the fire. Fire ઉપર રાખે છે, આગમાં, to cook. Next he ground some fresh coconut. Coconut લાવ્યો અને ground કરે છે, એટલે એને totally ચટણી કેમ કરીએ, like that he is grinding it. Green chilies and garlic together. Green chilies and garlic બધું mix કરીને એની ચટણી બનાવે છે, okay? And then he add this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. And little salt he put. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Pot માંથી મસ્ત smell આવે છે, nice smell. Nice smell એ તો મમ્મીને પૂછો ને, શું બનાવ્યું છે? I want to eat. હે ના? Like this nice smell started coming. Now we whipped some curd. હવે curd લે છે, દહીં હલાવે છે. And added it to the curry. In curry is putting that dahi also, curd also, okay? He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil. Coconut oil bhi નાખે છે. And decorated the dish with curry leaves. લીમડાના પત્તીથી એને ડેકોરેટ કરે છે. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. Everyone was eager. Okay. See now, after decorating it with the curry leaves, the new dish was ready. Navi dish bani gayi. Okay. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. To all the guests, જે મહેમાન આવ્યા હતા, he gave to all of them. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. Everybody wanted to know, okay, what is the name of this new dish? The cook thought and thought. વિચાર કરે છે. Then a name came to his mind. એના માઇન્ડમાં name આવે છે. He named it Awile. Awile became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. કેરલામાં કોઈ બી feast આપે તો અવેલ તો હોય જ. And imagine, વિચાર કરો, it all came from a basket of waste. You know, we should not waste anything, children. I will be giving you homework, otherwise when you will come to school, you will make best things from waste. That is always, I always give that project to you children. Let us hope the school starts very fast. And listen, ice cream man I have completed. So all this chapter, unit 1, first lesson is ice cream man. Yeah, you will have to fill all this. I have already sent you the PDFs also and lesson also. Okay, so bye children.